I know it's the holiday time and I know you're super busy, but I had to show you this amazing holiday blast recipe that I came up with. We're gonna start with a cup of almond milk right in, and I put that in first so none of the other ingredients stick. Then we're gonna add a banana. You can have a frozen banana or a fresh banana, a teaspoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and powdered ginger, and 1 tablespoon of molasses. All of that's gonna go right into the NutriBullet. We're gonna screw on the lid, and this recipe is just gonna blow your mind. We'll blend that. That was so quick, so easy, and I can't wait to try this. Oh, that is what the holidays are all about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you all soon.